Welcome back, guys. I'm Acacia, and today we will work some flying hip opening sequences, or a sequence, in the sky yoga hammock. Aerial yoga is so much fun. It builds a lot of strength, and for me it's more fun than regular yoga, although that is a very big part of my life as well, to keep balance in my body and strengthen in other areas. Anyway, let's get into it. Straighten the legs out in front of you. Reach the left arm to the front, bring the fabric into the pit of the left armpit. Right arm to the inside, behind the fabric. Pull the hands together to turn your body around. The side of the fabric that is in front, keep holding on with the hand. Left hand to the fabric. Bring the right arm through, wiggle, press the fabric behind your armpit, then push out to the left side and lift up. You can do whatever you want with the right arm now. It can go down. You can reach the arm up to the ceiling, whatever feels comfortable. Now, the bottom leg is the one that bends. So turn your pelvis to the side. I'll lower my hand down. It's a bit of a twist. Bend the right knee up, then pull the right knee through, hook your right ankle, and soar into a nice, beautiful flying Peter Pan pose. Whee! Here we go. It's going to get weird. Lean your upper body towards the front and take your left arm up to the ceiling. Pull the fabric behind your left shoulder and into the left armpit. Fabric will slide down below your right shoulder blade as well. And we'll give it a little momentum to turn. Bring the right arm forward, turn the body around, grab the fabric with the right hand, left hand comes toward the left. Keep twisting, left elbow up, grab the fabric with your right hand. Cross the fabric behind your back, lift yourself up, then pull your right arm through as well. Both arms out wide to the side. The right ankle is in the fabric, left foot down to the ground. It's kind of like you're standing, but you're not. To come out of the pose and give yourself flight. Reach the right arm up, grab onto the fabric. Elbow stays bent until you're ready to go forward. It's always the same arm as the leg. Left arm comes up. Straighten the right arm and spin. I'm going to flex my foot, hoping to avoid that. No, didn't avoid it, my wall. There we go. And that's our flight for the day. Then, let go with the hands. Keep the chest lifted, very important. And grab onto the fabric with your right hand. Lift yourself up, press the fabric into your hips. Actually, just below the hips into the crease. For a version of hanging lotus, although the foot probably isn't right up in the crease. Reach the hands down, grab onto your left foot. Allow the body to hang, open your right hip. Keep the right foot flexed. This is pretty strong for the right knee. You want to be super warmed up in the hips. To come out, reach up, grab onto the fabric, press the left foot down and pull your chest up. Right hand to the fabric on the right. Left hand can join it as well if you need two hands. Then we'll go up through the fabric, straighten the right leg, and come all the way back to seated. So fun. Let's do it on the other side. Bring the right arm out to the side, fabric at the pit of the right armpit. Reach and hold on to the left side of the fabric. Left hand to the back, grab onto the right side of the fabric with the left hand. Pull the hands together, twist all the way around. Keep the right hand holding the fabric, left arm comes up and through, pressing to the shoulder. Use some help from your other hand and straighten out. And play a little bit with the arm. So tight and juicy. Lower the left hand down, drop your hips. Pelvis faces the ceiling. Bend the left knee up, slide the left knee through, and hook the left leg. Peter Pan, arms out wide to the side. Try and keep your pelvis neutral. Here we go. Right arm, that's your left arm comes down, right arm up, grab onto the fabric, pull and bring the right elbow forward. Then hold on with your left hand. We'll give ourselves a little spin. Twist around, grab onto the fabric with your right hand. Left hand to the opposite side, right hand towards the fabric again, pull up, cross behind your back, and open the arms out wide to the sides. The slower you do that lift, the harder it will be. This is the hardest part of the pose. Left leg is in the fabric. Keep the knee open, knee down. Reach up and grab onto the fabric with the left hand. Right arm up, lean forward, point through the toes or flex if you've got a wall. Da, 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 da. Yay, I missed it with my foot, forgot it with my hand. Then let go of the fabric. Keep your chest lifted. Press the left side of the fabric underneath left hip bone. Lean forward. Hands come down towards the foot. Keep the length in the spine rather than trying to bring the forehead to the knee here. That way we get a little bit of additional spinal decompression as we open the hips. Coming out. Grab onto the fabric with both hands. Down with the foot, push up, lift the chest. Hold on to the fabric with both hands on the left. Torso goes through the fabric, spin, straighten the legs. Oh yeah, we're back to the center. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section. And I can't remember what I was gonna say. See you next time.